Hey guys, it's Jenna, and today I am going to be taking it way back to the basics for Poshmark. I've been getting asked lately about how do I list my first item, so I want to step back and start at the very beginning, how to create your first listing on Poshmark. I'm going to show you step by step on my phone how to get it done so you can get an item listed, start selling, and start making money. Let's get into the video. Okay, so let's get started with listing an item. I'm going to open up the Poshmark app, and then I'm going to click the sell button in the bottom center, and up comes the camera app within the app, and it allows you to take your photographs of the item as you're listing it. However, I like to take my photographs beforehand. You can see that the square is open, so I take all my pictures in the square mode, and you select that folder to go through and pick out the pictures that you already took. So I'm going to go to the top that I want to list, which is this graphic tee, and I'm going to select all the pictures of the item that I took earlier. And then after you select all your photos, you can select up to 8. You click next. Okay, and then the next option, it says crop photos. So if you want, you can go ahead and crop and adjust your photos here. Like I mentioned, I take my pictures in square mode, so I don't have to crop, and I can basically skip this step. So I'm gonna hit next. And then it's going to take you to the next screen, which says select cover shot. So out of all your photos that you uploaded, you're able to select a cover shot. And I usually like to do just a clear picture of the item, so you can see pretty much the whole item here, and it's bright and well lit. So we'll click next. You can add a filter to your cover shot. I personally don't like to add a filter because it can distort like the actual image as far as what it looks like. So I just skip that and hit next. And then all your photos are uploaded into the listing. And what I do here is I typically go through and just switch out and do like the front and then a close up, the back, and kind of adjust the photos. On here I have a close up of the label. And then I also do a close-up of the tag, so it says the fabric content and everything. And then after you have all your photos uploaded, you're gonna click on title. So the next step is to add a title for your item. And I like to be as descriptive as possible. You get 50 characters, so I use as many as I can. So I'm gonna type in what this item is, which is a junk food t-shirt. It's The Who, which is a band graphic tee, and it's gray. It's multicolor, but I pick out gray. I still have 2 characters left, so it's a size small. I'm just gonna put an S for small. I like to use up as much as I can, like I said before. So then you're gonna click done, and it takes you back to your whole listing. And so it filled in your title. Now you want to describe it. So in here, I'm just going to describe the top a little bit more in depth. So it's a 3/4 graphic t-shirt. It's women's. It's got raglan sleeves. And it's The Who. Oh my gosh, I love when it auto-corrects you while you're trying to type on camera. Okay, The Who, and it's gray and purple. Now it's also important to put the condition in the description. So this is pre-owned, so I've worn this top before. However, it's in excellent condition with no flaws. Now, it's really important to be honest in the description and as accurate as possible. So if there was like a hole or a spot, I would mention that in here. I'll go more into descriptions in depth in another video, but for now, just go ahead and put as much as you can as far as details go, and then you hit done. Okay, so now you've got your title, description, and photos, and then you're gonna select category, which is required, and it gives you a list of all these options. And you're gonna select tops because this is a top, and then you can select any of these. So it's a tee, it's not fully long sleeve. I'm just gonna say it's a short sleeve tee, so use your best judgment. Quantity is optional, so if you're listing more than one, which we're not. And then size is required, so you'll scroll through the sizes. This is a small, so I'm gonna select small. And then brand, it does have some options for you, but you can search to see if your brand is listed. So this one is junk food, which it is a listing right up there, so I'm going to select junk food. And then color, you are allowed to select 2 color options, so I'm going to select gray and purple. If there's more colors in there, don't worry, just select the 2 main colors. And then if it's new with tags, you would go ahead and put yes, it's new with tags, but this is not new, so I'm not going to put that. The original price, you can put that in the listing if you know the original price, or you can guess to the best of your abilities. So I believe this was around $50. And then for the listing price, this is what you're going to list the item at. So I'm going to list this top at $35, okay? So it calculates for you your earnings after you get it listed, and what Poshmark takes is their 20%. So if I list and sell it at $35, I'm going to make $28 on this top, and then you would just select next, and then you would click list up here in the top corner. And then if I go to my closet, I'm going to see that listing is already up. So it's as simple as that. Now I have a new listing in my closet. It's got all the details down here that we filled out together, and now it's available for someone to buy. So I hope that was helpful for some of you guys to see how simple the process is of getting an item listed on Poshmark. Now you can get out there, start listing, and start making some money. Please give me a thumbs up if you thought this video was helpful, and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!